Hi, good afternoon. Am I audible? All right. We just presented a very short clip in terms of what we believe today is the application economy. How many of us here use applications on a day-to-day basis? Some form of applications. I think all of us. Right? Let's face it. Today we are living in times of unprecedented change. Some social historians would argue that one of the greatest developments in terms of human evolution was the Industrial Revolution, which happened somewhere between 1760s and 1820s to 1840s. Now, at that point of time, what happened? The entire manufacturing process went through a radical shift. It changed the way we were looking at production. It changed the way the water efficiencies were used. It changed the way steel was used, tools were used, processes were involved. Now, that period actually had a whole lot of impact in terms of the way the society was shaped. Commerce was, in terms of the way we would actually transact. Today, if you look at it, we are now entering the phase of a digital industrial revolution. In terms of the magnitude of the change, it potentially has a far higher impact in terms of the way we envisage some of the results. It will potentially change the way the culture is going to impact the culture, is going to impact the society, and definitely way m-commerce or commerce is transacted today. The wheels of such a digital industrial revolution today is what we today call as the application economy. All of us today are living in a stage or in an age wherein the application drives the way we are doing our business. So business is rewriting everything that we do. I see a lot of bankers in the room today, and all of us would agree that the way we banked 10 years back and the way we are banking today, there's a whole bunch of difference. We just had a presentation from Samsung. We've seen the way mobility is becoming all pervasive. I would just like to take you through very few quick slides. I've been told that I have just about 3 minutes to present. Just a few examples. This is Nike. All of us know Nike as a shoe manufacturer or an apparel manufacturer. Today, they have something which they call as these bands, these fuel bands. Now, from manufacturing shoes to actually moving into healthcare, all being driven by applications. Another example. This is a very interesting concept. It's a railway substation, metro station in Korea, wherein people take a photograph on the shelf of day-to-day use items, grocery items, and by the time that reach home, the product is already delivered. How does this happen? Again, in terms of technology, the way it's assisting them, there's an application which is driving all of this. If you look at each of these examples today, Nike, Amazon. Amazon was known to be a bookseller, but today I think they're one of the biggest cloud services provider in the world. Tesco again, from being an ordinary retail store to a completely different business model. Now, what's happening here is that the browser earlier used to be the gateway in terms of everything that we would do. The browser would decide what happens, what you see. If you have to buy, let's say, a tablet or a mobile phone on Best Buy, the browser would actually tell you what you can view and what you can't view. Today, I don't think it's about the browser anymore. The browser is there, but it's all about the application. The application is becoming all pervasive. So you're having users coming in from phones, from social networks, from computers, from wearables, from all forms of devices. When we are banking in an application economy, we have applications and we have identities. And how do we at CA try and protect the banking customer from from any kind of, how do you manage your risks, how do you manage your identity, how do you manage your application. That's where, CA is at the forefront of delivering that experience to the customer. There are three key disciplines that are driving the application economy today. You have, in the center, you have something which we today call as DevOps. The world is embracing DevOps. Now, what is DevOps? DevOps is the entire life cycle of an application from the development phase right up to the operations phase. How do you develop the application? How do you test the application? How do you put it in production? And how do you continuously keep monitoring that application? You're also looking at a lot of application service providers providing solutions on clouds. We have seen examples in the country where banks are running on clouds. We have, I wouldn't want to name them, but all of us know that there are a lot of cooperative banks, a lot of government banks which are running their core banking through the cloud. We are also looking at an increased age of risk. With the internet opening up, you are potentially causing a lot of risk. Okay, so I'm getting constant signals to stop. Just to end it, I'm here in the panel, but today all that I wanted to leave the thought with the audience was that the entire business is being rewritten by software, and that's where the application economy steps in, and that's where we wanted to figure out whether everybody here is ready and how CA can enable you to strive, compete, and manage your risk effectively. Thank you.